Alright, there's down the front. What's shooting, Elliot? Hey, we're not hitting that up. Yeah, Elliot's down there, but he can use some help though. Alright, just to cover that doorway. Ow! That hurt a lot.
Oh, it's gonna be shooting us.
I know. Come on, I got blue tape. You see it.
I've been shot like 4 times though, guys. Thank God it sounds like.
Yeah, that's. So yeah, if y'all want to go, Elliot's in the far room. If y'all want to go help him, you can. There's no one in here.
I'm fucking kids up, dude. Overhead.
Yeah. All right, go ahead. That kid's gonna run across. Ow! Ow!
Yeah, damn right I shot you right in the dome, son.
Hey, Mom.
I gotta learn my AK.
Yeah. Down there.
Hey, you with the pistol. You wanna run and try to grab that placard? That placard right there, the one that's not flipped yet. Go for it. Go, go, go! Go! That way, that way.
You guys might have one coming in.
David.
What's up? Oh, what in the hell?
Hey, can I move it to the center for you?
All the way down. The fuck? Is there a fuse in there?
Probably.
There's gotta be.
Can't get it in my damn glove. Is that the fuse?
Yeah, there is the fuse.
It's fine.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Shit, I don't know. Just try to move the wires around. cover your spot while you're doing that.
I don't know, dude.
Hey, I got one to your right, up here.
David, come back over here real quick. Disconnect your battery, connect it. Shit. Here. No, the battery's fine. I have to run out and go switch out guns, but I have to reload all my mags. Pistola.
Oh, stop.
I fired
Did you
3
get it?
shots.
Did you get him, man?
No. I saw they hit right above your head on the wall. Do you have this placard?
There you are. Ah, that hurt. Oh shit, oh shit. Security's behind the truck!
You get him?
No.
Security's under the truck. Security. Behind the truck.
Alright.
Andrew, where's your grenade?
But it's not a kill.
You don't have BBs in it?
No.
Pour some in it, it'll be a kill.
No.
Oh, I got plenty.
Alright, hold on.
Oh, never mind. He's out. Got one.
Alright, has BBs in it now.
His security's way out of fucking line. I shoot him with one burst. He unloads half the mag on my head. Talk about comeback. Yeah, right. Hey, you guys might want to move up to that building.
What building?
Like this room right here.
Oh, you got guys in there. Well, not the very front one.
Hey, Elliot. Hey, Elliot. My AK, it stopped shooting, but the fuse is okay.
Dude, I'm not gonna shoot you in the face. But okay.
Shoot him anyway. Who cares? That's all it's giving you.
Alright, whatever.
Our team plays no mercy. You guys are nice.
Good job. All right, let them hit.
That jacket out there is yellow. Ooh, okay. He's in the fucking door of the building next to their spawn. Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's no propane.
Nobody let it fire.
Yeah, that's Andrew's propane.
Smells nice.
Hey, Mitch, you got they never set a time at the beginning that I know of. How long did they say at the beginning? So it's just whoever got flags done, or whoever take the...
At the end of the game, whoever has the most flappers.
Yeah, but they never, I don't remember the time.
Me neither.
Yes.
Nice, Clay.
Oh, that one guy just sprint by. In the truck. Is he underneath? I don't know. I just saw him go by.
Was the guy behind the truck?
Yeah. There's a guy underneath it.
Hold on, where's that? Hey, you're dead! You're dead! There's BBs in that grenade! You're dead!
Don't stand up. I'm covering the window behind you.
I didn't think I was gonna make it.
I bounced it off the roof.
You got him, now.
Hey, there's that guy who just called. What's that? Hey, is this guy covering their six?
Right now, it's hit him in the face.
Oh, why?
I'm about to slide out there.
What do you think is wrong with the AK if it's just fucking, it just stops
I have
shooting?
to hear it.
The fuse, no, the fuse, nothing's winding, nothing.
Maybe a motor tab.
Huh?
Maybe a motor tab. If anything, were you using LiPo?
Yeah.
Like off this corner, too.
Probably why. It might have burned contacts.
They made my position. I'll get the point back.
They cannot. They cannot do that.
Come here.
Oh, one guy got through again.
Got you in the foot! David. Woo!
What?
Look at your pistol, I'm out of ammo.
Oh. Tell that kid to quit blind firing.
Let me get your pistol. I'm out of ammo. I just killed 4 people.
What you ran for?
I just got 4. No, it's gonna take too long. I gotta load every mag. Every mag's empty. Thank you. Yeah! I'm over here.
I don't see anybody at that window.
Okay? Tell a couple of guys from the spawn come over and help you secure the metal.
Security's under the truck counter.
No, security's
Walking.
Come.
I'm good.
You guys gun up in the air.
Hey, you guys want to push aside?
Sir?
Hey, let's push aside.
What you guys can rail about is the trap line.
It's like right back here.
I got like 3 guys trying to make this pack a deal.
Nice. Just keep them off it then.
Okay?
Andrew, we'll move up to the front wall and aim down sideways.
I'll protect you from your rear.
Do what?
You ready?
What?
To move close?
Clear.
I don't know, maybe.
Security just walked by again.
Still on call for them. Don't waste half a mag on me. Watch out.
Hit! Hit!
I got him. Watch out, Andrew. Watch out.
Damn.
Want to spam me full auto?
What? No, he's not a blood off. We were born in New Jersey. We just had a speech impediment.
Alright, got it.
Oh, watch when you hit that, dude.
Oh God, I don't want to. Watch out, watch out. I don't want to be safe.
Behind the spool. Big spool right beside the truck.
Dude, why is that M16 shooting this damn close?
He's out. He called himself out. Yep.
Don't talk then, buddy. Dead men don't talk.
Yeah, there's traffic on the outside over here. Have people cover for you. Where? Look at that. What is it? No shot at them. What about middle? How's it go? Middle? That. Good.
Everybody there.
And defend it.
Something bad.
Got it! No!
Joe! How's the middle?
Got time for another one to start running by.
I want to do what? Hey, look at that hole.
Good shot. Damn good shot.
What? I don't know where the placards are.
Nope.
I'm just taking observation on it.
Just
Who wants to have the ball?
get over there.
Hey, you're clear. You just want to encore it. Good shot.
Nothing came out.
Oh, never mind, nothing came out.
Nothing came out. You're good. Hey, don't do that.
Dude, don't throw other people's shit, man.
Do it?
Don't throw other people's
You
shit.
just leave it there.
Oh, right there. What we got?
No, if you broke that, you got to pay for it.
I think $100.
Like, seriously.
Dude's still inside that fucking doorway in the window inside that room.
I don't see him.
Well, how come I see him every time I peek out?
Oh, wow.
Is that no
Got him.
Got him.
One on the other side of the road!
Got him. You're good, Andrew.
Who got the guy that popped around the corner?
I did. Or Andrew did. I got
I don't know. Someone else.
Game over! say I was ready to light your fucking ass up, dude.
I saw you.
They're still shooting. I thought they said game.
Got the other one? Oh, you can use this one.
Yeah, I would have won that deal.
Yep.
Just in the nick of time.